Hey guys, so as I said in the past, the Sony Xperia XZ3 is one of my favorite phones. But being an American, there is one thing I definitely do not like about it, and that is that the accessory options for it are extremely limited. So I went to buy a case, but unfortunately, not many options for it. And I did find this, actually never heard of it, MoKo. But yeah, only $8, available in a few different colors. Got pretty good reviews at least. So look at the box here. Okay, so definitely not that secure, not that sturdy, but it does at least feel nice and it looks pretty nice as well. I mean, you can tell this is pretty flimsy, but the corners are at least rough, so should help it from drops. Snaps on pretty easily there. Yeah, actually, I really like the look of it, and it feels pretty nice. But it's just, again, guys, it's not that sturdy. Honestly, I'm nervous to even go like this, do my usual drop test. Because you do have some whips here at the top and the bottom. But again, guys, it is a bit flimsy. So at the bottom here, we have a cutout for USB-C. And the buttons are covered up. And then try not to fingerprint. So I do like having this space for it because the fingerprint's a bit tough to locate. It's a bit further down. Okay guys, so overall definitely not that secure, but it is thin. And it looks pretty nice. It feels pretty nice. A bit slippery, but yeah, actually it might be an issue. I mean, it's $8. I think it's a pretty good deal for $8. But definitely don't go expecting too much from it.